Question 2. The periodic table is organized into groups and periods of elements. The characteristic of a certain group of elements are listed below. Well, the first thing we need to do is go to groups, and remember that groups are the columns on the periodic table, and that must leave periods with being the row because they end with a period. A sentence would end with a period. So that's rows. Okay, so the characteristic of a certain group of elements are listed below. So it is a column on the periodic table. Tells us they have no luster, they're poor conductors, they're brittle, they're not ductile, and they're not malleable. Well, if you know your periodic table, you know this describes your nonmetals. So we're looking for nonmetals. So now we need to compare these elements and make sure they're nonmetals. So let's get our periodic table. And let's go for sodium. Sodium is Na, and it is a metal, so sodium is not what we're looking for. Aluminum is along the stair step, but remember it's the exception. It too is a metal, so it's not what we're looking for. Copper, Cu, copper. Copper is right here, and if you know your metals, copper is a metal, so it's not what we're looking for. Sulfur, let's find sulfur. Here's sulfur, and sulfur, lo and behold, it is a nonmetal, so sulfur would check off that box. Phosphorus, phosphorus, yes, it's not touching the stair step. And phosphorus is also a nonmetal, so that's yes. And carbon, see, yes, it is also a nonmetal. Boron's our metalloid because it's touching the stair step. Carbon is a nonmetal. So yes, carbon would also qualify. So the only elements that qualify as nonmetals are this one, and this one. Now we match it up, and here's our answer. Code for this is nonmetal.